Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Pace 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now, let's continue with the reset. So, the first thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the lower button. Once the menu opens, you can use the crown button by rotating it. Basically, you can scroll through the menu. So scroll through the menu, select the system option, and then press the crown button to enter. Now scroll down through the menu or up. Basically, scroll through the menu, select the option called more settings, and then press the crown button. Then scroll through the menu, select the option called reset all, and press the crown button. And then you need to press the crown button to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's press the crown button and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.